Thengia wa clinical officers gukorwo mari amwe aria mari muhari wa mbere kung'ethanira na arwaru a homa ya coronavirus. Kiama kiria kimarugamiriire kiugite mehaririria ma kumagitira ti makinyaniru. Amuti othe mari na indo cia kwigitira riria mari wira-ini wao.
As a union, we demand the government to swing into action and fast track the following measures to safeguard our medical staff. This is our specific recommendation to the government, and the government must take it seriously, because now that we have not been able to be involved mostly in the decision making. However, most of the proposals that we have come here and stated, they later on come to pass.
Kuringana na uthuthuria uria mekite, indo iria arigitani mari nacio itikinyite gicunji kia 68 hari igana na matiamukirite mathomo megie corona. Gicunji o kiu matiwe kuhuthira indo cia kwigitia, na gicunji kingi kia 58 matire na indo cia kwigitira.
Demand that the government and all employer to provide the healthcare workers with the aprons, overalls, boots, respirators and face shield as part of the PPE.
Makiaraniria na andiki a mohoro ni matariirie haho yao kuona gukinyaniria riu marigitari 6 ni marikitie gwikirwo mukonde gukorwo mari na homa eno ya coronavirus. Ningi ni moritie thirikari ikorwo ikiandika madagitari 2,000 kuona 500 aria megukorwo makiandikwo ihinda-ini riri matikoigana kurwa bara iria imakuriire maitho.
Among the 6 health workers, 3 are clinical officers. Two of them are in Mombasa, and one of them is here in Nairobi, who was the first person to get this. This is also pose a big danger to our family and also the patient we see before any symptom prevail.
Kari employ ili ajiri wa afya, wahudumu wa afya wanaotosha kufanya kazi ili tuzuie ugonjwa kwa muda mfupi ujao. Wakenya wetu wanaumia.
Ona gukiri uguo, Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe ni atariirie kwina indo cia kwigitira cia madagitari 10,000 iria matari maraciheana, indi mibango ni yambikitwo ya uria cikumakinyira mathibitari-ini, na makiria ma arigitani 5,000 ni maramukira mathomo ma COVID-19.
And as far as the PPEs are concerned, yes, we have got the PPEs that we have said. We have got the 10,000 PPEs. We have not distributed them across the country, but we have them. Between the ones that we have received from overseas at KEMSA and the ones that we have made, we have got those.
Kenya ni moretio kunyita itemi hari gutigirira homa eno ndina therema na uria mangika no undu umwe gwitikira kurumirira mitaratara ira iraheanwo ni ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Getwo Nduta wa Nyuthe.